This is Doodle News Network, and I am your host, Dirk Doodle. Welcome back to another Science Digest. In today's exciting news, we delve into the last meal of a young tyrannosaur, explore the fascinating conversation between your eyes and ears, and question why ChatGPT won't defend its answers. We also uncover how animal protein aids muscle building in the elderly and reveal a gut microbiota metabolite that could be our new weapon against obesity. In a groundbreaking discovery, researchers have found the preserved last meal of a young Gorgosaurus, a type of tyrannosaur, shedding light on the diet of these prehistoric predators. The specimen, found in Dinosaur Provincial Park, contained the remains of two small, bird-like herbivorous dinosaurs, indicating that the young Gorgosaurus dismembered its prey and ate the meatiest parts. This is the first evidence that young tyrannosaurs had different diets than their adult counterparts, who hunted larger herbivores. As they matured, tyrannosaurs transitioned from hunting small prey to larger ones, a dietary shift that likely reduced competition for resources and allowed them to coexist in the same ecosystem. This adaptability may have been key to their evolutionary success. A recent study by The Ohio State University has found that AI chatbot, ChatGPT, often fails to defend its correct answers when challenged by users. The study involved debate-like conversations where the chatbot was presented with a variety of reasoning puzzles. The researchers found that the chatbot was often unable to defend its correct beliefs and instead accepted invalid arguments from the user. This raises questions about whether these AI tools' impressive reasoning abilities are based on deep knowledge or if they're merely relying on memorized patterns. The study also revealed that even when ChatGPT was confident in its answers, its failure rate remained high, suggesting a systemic issue. This could potentially be problematic as AI becomes more mainstream and is used in critical areas like healthcare and criminal justice. Vanderbilt researchers have discovered that a compound produced by gut bacteria can protect against obesity. The study, conducted on mice, found that disturbances in gut microbiota, such as exposure to antibiotics early in life, can increase the risk of childhood obesity. The researchers found that a combination of antibiotics and a high-fat diet disrupted the gut microbiota, reducing levels of a beneficial microbe and a compound it produces, phenolactic acid. This compound regulates fat metabolism in the cells lining the intestines. Without it, these cells package more fat into the bloodstream, leading to weight gain. The researchers suggest that providing beneficial bacteria or phenolactic acid could help prevent obesity, especially in children taking antibiotics. A recent study found that meals with animal protein are more effective in muscle building than those with plant protein in elderly people. The research involved 16 participants over 65 who were served two different meals, one plant-based and the other with animal protein. Both meals had similar amounts of protein, fat, carbohydrates, and calories. The study found that muscle protein was built up faster after eating a meal with animal protein than after a vegan meal. This is partly because plant-based foods are harder to digest and contain fewer essential amino acids. However, the researchers clarified that healthy people can compensate for the lower quality of plant proteins by eating more of them. For the elderly or frail who need more protein but often eat less, animal proteins may be a better choice. Scientists have discovered that our eyes communicate with our ears. In a groundbreaking study, researchers at Duke University found that eye movements generate unique sounds in the ear, which can be decoded to reveal where someone is looking. This fascinating discovery suggests that our hearing may be influenced by our vision. The team believes these sounds could be caused by eye movements stimulating the brain to contract certain ear muscles or hair cells. While the exact purpose of these sounds is still unclear, it's thought they might help to enhance our perception by aligning sights and sounds. This research could even lead to new clinical tests for hearing. So next time you're looking around, remember your eyes are talking to your ears. That's it for this week's fill of news from the world of science. Let me know in the comments which story you liked best. Also, if you enjoyed the content, please like the video and consider subscribing. See you next week.